Japan might feel like stepping into the future. Neon cities, bullet trains, ancient temples, and traditions that go back centuries. But here's the thing, entering Japan isn't as simple as showing your passport. If you're not prepared, you could face strict immigration checks, delays, or even be turned away. In this episode of Law of the Land Travel, I'll walk you through exactly what you need to enter Japan stress-free and how to respect the culture once you're there. Every year, millions of travelers are surprised at how detailed Japan's entry requirements are. They expect the process to be casual. Instead, immigration officers may ask questions about your itinerary, finances, or even your return ticket. Add to that strict rules on customs, medication, and cultural etiquette. And it's easy to make small mistakes that create big headaches. But once you know the process, entering Japan and blending in with local customs becomes smooth and rewarding. Let's start with the documents. First, your passport. It must be valid for the duration of your stay. But here's the unspoken rule. Japan prefers at least 6 months of passport validity remaining. Play it safe and renew early if you're close to expiring. Second, visas. Many countries, including the US, Canada, the EU, Australia, and others are part of Japan's visa waiver program, which allows short stays of up to 90 days. If you're from a country that's not part of the waiver, you'll need to apply for a visa before arrival. And if you plan to work, study, or stay long-term, you must apply for the correct visa in advance. Third, proof of onward travel. Immigration officers in Japan often ask for a return or onward ticket. If you can't provide one, you may face problems at entry. Fourth, proof of funds. It's not always requested, but be ready to show that you can support yourself during your stay, especially if your trip is longer than a couple of weeks. Health insurance isn't mandatory, but is strongly advised. Japan has world-class health care, but it's very expensive for non-residents. A travel insurance policy can save you thousands in unexpected costs. Now, let's talk customs. Japan has some of the strictest rules in the world. Duty-free allowances include 3 bottles of alcohol, 760 milliliters each, 200 cigarettes, or 50 cigars. Personal items for your trip are fine, but anything that looks like commercial goods can be questioned. Currency. You can bring unlimited Japanese currency called the yen, but if you're carrying more than 1 million yen, about $6,700 US, you must declare it. Restricted and prohibited items are a big deal. Illegal drugs are absolutely forbidden. Even small amounts of substances like marijuana, which might be legal in your home country, can lead to arrest, deportation, and a permanent ban from Japan. Weapons, certain knives, and firearms are tightly controlled. Some medications, including common cold medicine with pseudoephedrine, are banned. Always check Japan's official list of prohibited medications before packing. And if you must carry a prescription, bring a doctor's letter and keep it in its original package. Japan also screens for certain foods and plant products. Bringing fresh meat, dairy, or produce can lead to confiscation or fine. Respecting these rules is essential. Now, let's talk about 5 quick cultural tips that will make your visit smoother. 1. Cash is still king in Japan. Despite its tech-savvy image, many places prefer cash, so carry yen, especially in rural areas. 2. Punctuality is sacred. Whether it's a train, a tour, or a dinner reservation, always arrive on time. 3. Tipping isn't customary. In fact, it can even be seen as rude. Good service is considered standard, so don't leave cash on the table. 4. Learn basic etiquette. Bowing as a greeting, removing your shoes before entering homes, and some traditional spaces. And be mindful to speak softly in public places. 5. Respect the culture of queuing or lining up, whether for trains, elevators, or even vending machines. Order and politeness are highly valued. Japan is one of the most rewarding destinations in the world, but only if you enter prepared. With the right documents, an understanding of customs rules, and respect for cultural etiquette, your trip will be smoother, richer, and unforgettable. For more travel expertise like this, subscribe to the Law of the Land Travel channel on YouTube. New episodes go live every Wednesday. Stay informed wherever you go.